Campsite number 1. Little Island Lake. That's the future bocce isle.
Oh,
that's a good strategy.
Ooh,
Not bad.
Yeah. And it looks fucking.
Oh, too long.
You're trash. That's what you think. Oh my god, he's got it. He's got it.
That's it. Put one in play.
Roll.
I like the play.
Roll. Oh. God, come on. A damn topography.
Oh, hey, I got one more in play here.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that fucking root. It just. Oh, shit.
I'm helping.
I hope so.
I'm really not. I'm just holding it in place. I can't remember how we did this last year.
It was a process.
Yeah, I remember it being challenging.
But once we got it, it was fine. We got the hang of it.
And here's Ian skinny dipping.
Yeah, the water's perfect.
Yeah, I'm coming in.
I'm gonna jump in this thing.
Look at this one.
No rain yet. Some thunder in the distance. That is all.
So this piece is just gonna be damn long, right? I need like a spoon. Anything?
What do you need?
In the kitchen. Look in the kitchen stuff. I should have a fork or a spoon.
We have both.
Fork or
Ian, I noticed you're closest to the kitchen and haven't moved yet.
Shut up.
It's fucking hot. Oh, perfect. That's ideal. Thanks. What?
Does he want this?
Yep. Just toss it.
The handoff. Let's see it.
Close your eyes, Ian.
White boys for life. Halfway through day 2. Long day. 3 portages. A lot of canoeing.
Is that enough for you?
Well, thank you.
Cafe. That's the lunch break, day 3. Couple hours to go. Justin keeping us hydrated. Ian saltying up.
It's hot out today.
Warm out today. Warm out yesterday. Even warmer today.
He descends.
Left foot, right foot.
Redhead lady.
One more portage to go. Day 3. It's our second. Oh yeah. What time we got? Like 3?
3:01. Rob, you're getting better and better. Is that a video?
Yeah. Just finished the last portage of the day. Almost at camp. Kirkwood Lake. Put in a lot of miles today. 3 portages. We here. Nice. If it ain't the mosquitoes, it's the leeches. We heading down there tomorrow.
It's toasty. Real toasty.
Night 3. That's what me and Andrew just did. Hang on, go behind it.
Well, finally happened, guys.
Yep.
Camping in the rain. Fuck.
Really?
7:15 meter rainy ass motherfucking portage. Here we go. That's Andrew up there. This is day 4. Shortest day. Wettest day. A little splash of rain on day 1. And it was just fucking scorching for the next 2. Ooh. And now we're soaked. About another hour and a half, maybe 2 hours until camp. Probably about halfway through this portage. Gotta go back for the canoes after. Double carrying. Too wet to try it in one. Tomorrow, the big one. 2.5 kilometers up pure portage. Need to capture how manly we are being. Proof for our significant others. Oh shit. Daylight, water. Here we go. The end is near. Let's see what these guys are doing. That wasn't too bad. Downhill, a little easier than chugging up the devil's staircase.
Woo!
What are your feelings right now, Ian? Yeah?
That's a good job.
It's pretty standard.
That's a good job. Like coffee.
Yep.
It looks like there's this little damn island thing
Yeah.
that runs right here.
Fucking that damn island. And who's this? The other videographer. Oh! Yes! Under the ropes. Well done, sir. This nice setup that got left for us.
Good.
Yeah, this is. I wish we were here when beginning.
Yeah.
Having steaks on this fire.
Yeah, fuck.
Full weekend.
Well, at least you know this is a good site. You can mark it on your calendar. All right, Justin, don't fall, man.
Oh god, that's a hard fall if you fucking
that
come
is a
down.
big fall.
You're going right into the water. Got a little crazy here. Yeah, long weekend.
Aren't you guys happy with camping? So happy. No.
Can't see what I'm looking at. Poses.
What are you doing?
Getting you in action.
You taking a video?
Yes. Still waiting for the rain to go away. Last sight, last day on the water. A lot of portages ahead. Hopefully last mosquito bite. We'll see. Everything's nice and soaking wet. So we got probably about an extra like 30-40 pounds total to lug today. Woo! This is it, boys. Before the last portage, 1,600 meters. Let's see what we look like after this. Not as good as him.
Yeah, that guy's looking great. Catalog model here. Alright, I need help. Ooh, calf shot.
Wanna?
I'm gonna do a. Let me see your bug bites. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh
Yeah. Pretty bad.
E.
Here?
Sure, I'm not great.
Oh yeah. Yeah. I don't get it. Trader
I
Joe.
know. You got any? Want to show off?
Hunchback of Notre Dame here.
Look at this. This guy hasn't even grown any facial hair on this tree.
I've known that happens.
Probably about halfway through last portage. I hope. 1,600 meters. Probably around 800 meters through. How you boys feel?
Glad it's over.
Yeah.
Almost.
2.6K portage. Done. No more left to do. Let's check out the water. Cache Lake. Where we began 5 days ago. Whew.
Here it comes. Crispy.
Yeah.
Monsters.